What's up, everybody? Gonna today shave my ass on YouTube for everybody to see. But this ass end of the van, we're gonna shave it. Get rid of the useless wiper, the useless washer. There's no need. So what I'm gonna do today is fill in these holes, make it look nice and clean. I'm gonna explain to you real quick this technique that I picked up. So if you got like little rust holes and you're trying to fix them, this is a little thing. Eastwood sells this kit. It comes with a bunch of these discs. That's a magnet on there, but this round disc right here. And you get a step bit. That's a 1-inch disc, so you just do the step bit up to 1 inch, and then your 1-inch plug fits in there perfectly. With a magnet, see? Nice and flush. And you just tack it in from there. Easy rust patch, or in this case, I'm shaving the ass. So I'm getting rid of this is the wiper hole for the wiper blade. And then covering up here is for the squirter. Yeah. How's it going, everybody? I realize if you don't know the story of the van, that's going to be another video, but it's a labor of love. It's a 1986 Syncro tin top, which is a non-pop-up Vanagon. It's got a rear locker, so a single locker, one knob, as they call it. Yeah, so basically, without going into too much detail, it was given to me by a really good friend, and we'll get into that in another video. But yeah, I've always wanted one for forever, since high school, 25, 30 years ago. And I've had this one for, gosh,
6 or 7 years, but now that I have this big garage and place to work on it, I can finally start digging into it and, you know, give it a proper going over, at least get it on the road and looking proper. I'm not doing the purist thing, so I'm sorry to all you purist Vanagon guys. Like, the interior's gutted, it's going to stay gutted. I'm just going to throw wood up in there. It's going to be sleeping in the woods for a night, going to be hauling bikes, it's going to be bumming around town, whatever rig. And that's how I'm building it, and it was in, as far as cosmetically, it was in pretty bad disrepair. There's a lot of rust, there's some body damage that's hidden under Bondo, and I'm trying to straighten that stuff out, but basically this process is going to be on YouTube on this channel. So yeah, we'll do a walk around video at some point, but right now I just wanted to give everybody the run over, the rundown on what's going on in this van. So it's a cool van, Syncro, all-wheel drive. Mechanically, it's really well sorted. Like, I'm gonna do brakes and a major tune-up and probably the CVs before I put it back on the road. But other than that, it's pretty well sorted. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel for more videos. I'm gonna try to do one a week. We'll see. I am a working man. Gotta pay Brandon our wages. So, all right.